So the volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. Okay? Oh, okay. Stands for the area of the base. H is, of course, the height. Let's do an example. I'm going to let the blue squares be my bases for this. Because it's rectangular, I put the top and the bottom, or the two sides, to be the bases because they're congruent and parallel to one another. But we're on the green sheet. So the area of the base, if we were to let the blue square be our base, 4 times 4, length times width. And then how far apart are the two bases, the two blue squares? 6, so that's our height. Yep. There is 26. And this is going to be cubic inches because remember we're talking about little sugar cubes that will fit inside here. It'll take 96 little cubes to fit inside to fill this space. So if we were to let this pyramid have a base that was 4 by 4, and the height was 6. So it really has the same dimensions as the rectangular prism that we did previously. Try to drive home what this 1/3 is all about. So 1/3 times the area of the base, so again 4 times 4. Times the height, which is 6. And remember how pyramids had height? They had the height like was dead in the center, and then they had slant height. Okay, the volume is only going to be using the height that's in the dead center, like the pole in the middle of the Egyptian pyramid. So you don't really need slant height inside your formula. Try to find the volume. On the left is a rectangular prism. The one on the right is a little more challenging because it's a trapezoidal prism. So I'm going to give you about 4 to 5. When we try to find the volume, you'll notice that they give us a slant height, but they don't give us the height in here. We're going to have to figure out what this height is so that we can use it in our formula. So if I redraw that blue triangle out here, this is 12.8. We don't know what this is. How far is it from the middle to one of the triangles? Right, half of 13. Everybody see that? This is in millimeters. All right, so how do we find the third side of a right triangle? There you go, Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so 6.5 squared plus x squared equals 12.8 squared. Remember that the hypotenuse has to go in for the c value. All right, I'm going to give you a few minutes with your part. Okay, so the height's 1103, then we're going to just find the volume. So 1/3, 169 times 1103. I'm going to type it in the calculator here. 621.4. 0.4, okay. Right, so, yes, this is the exit split.